Hello guys, this is Sanjana Parihar, an intern at Lexis & Company, and I'm pursuing BA LLB from Julian University. This is my first year. Today we'll talk about this very interesting general knowledge that I got to know today. Minimum age of marriage of girls, which is being planned to extend it to 21 years from 18 years, which is currently. Now, the Prime Minister, during his address to the nations on the 74th Independence Day this year, announced that the central government has set up a committee to reconsider the minimum age of the marriage of the woman, which is currently 18 years, as everyone knows. Now, what is about the committee? What is it made up of? 2nd June 2020, the Union Minister of Women and Child Development set up a committee to examine matters pertaining to age of motherhood imperatives and lowering the maternal mortality ratio and improvement of the nutritional levels among the women. The committee is headed by Jaya Jetli. The committee was proposed in the union budget of 2020 and 2021. It will be examined the correlation of the age of the marriage and the motherhood with the health, medical well-being, and the nutritional status of the mother and the neonate infant or the child during the pregnancy, birth, and thereafter. Now, there is this link between age and marriage and nutrition, which is being considered here. A study conducted by the International Food Policy Research Institute, which was published in 2019, showed that the children born to the adolescent mothers, which is like around 9 years to 10 years to 19 years, were 5% points more likely to be stunned shorter of their age than those born to the young adults, which is 20 to 24 years, and 11% more stunned than the children born to the adult mother or 25 years and more older. Now, the children born to the adolescent mothers also had 10% points higher prevalence of low weight as in adult mothers. So, and there are more nutritional points that were mentioned. We'll move forward to the arguments against this increasing the minimum age of the marriage of the woman, which are very logical. The National Coalition advocating for the adolescent concerns asserts that increasing the legal age of the marriage for girls will only artificially expand the number of the married persons deemed underage and criminalize their and render underage married girls without legal protection. Instead, transformative while resourced measures that increase girls' access to education and health, create enabling opportunities, and place girls' empowerment at the center will not just delay marriage but lead to long term positive health and education outcomes. It recommended bringing education for 3 to 5 years olds and 15 to 18 years old under the right to education instead of confining the law to children between 6 years and 14 years. So this was it for today. I guess the way forward should be early pregnancies associated with the increased child mortality rates and affects the health of the mother. Thus, there is a need to focus on the mother's health and readiness to carry the child. That should be the first preference for checking up. The government needs to emphasize upon the economic and social empowerment of the women and girls, as well as targeted social and behavior change and communication campaigns. Increasing the minimum age of the marriage of the woman will also lead to gender neutrality. So this is all for today about this topic. If there's any question related to the particular video, do let me know in the comment section. I will back to you as soon as possible. And this video does not solicit any kind of promotions or advertisements according to the Bar Council of India. It's for education purposes only. And if you like the content, do like the video. Thank you.